guys, you are watching Ginang Rika. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. Good day everyone. Today I'm going to make Lumpiang Shanghai in Tagalog, or in English it is a spring roll. It has meat and eggs and mixed vegetable in it, and it will be deep fried so it will become crispy. Let's start chopping our vegetables. Here I am chopping the spring onions into small pieces so we could add easily to our mixture. Let's cut our onion into small pieces. Let's add this to our meat mixture. Next, we are going to grate our carrot. I'm using here the cheese grater. It is very convenient. It will have a very fine pieces of carrots, easier than chopping it into small pieces, and it really is. This makes it faster and the pieces is uniform rather than using a knife to cut it. This way we are just making our life easier by using this kind of technique. One piece of advice: you have to be watchful. It might cut your fingers or your skin by the grater, so you have to watch out if your carrots is about to finish. Here are the seasonings. We have salt, pepper, garlic granules, and cornstarch. Let's mix it all together, the seasoning, the mixed vegetables with the meat. Here I'm using my hand to mix all the ingredients. Don't worry, I have been washing my hand for several times and I can assure you it's clean and there's nothing to worry about. Let's crack our egg in a separate bowl and beat it with the fork. Now I'm going to combine or to mix the egg into the meat mixture. Here I am mixing it with fork just to make sure that all the ingredients are well combined. It's wrapping time. Here I am going to wrap 1 tablespoon of meat mixture onto the spring roll wrapper. Spring roll wrapper, you can get this from any Asian shop or Oriental shop everywhere in the United Kingdom. Now you have to do is roll your pastry like this. Make sure it's tight and all the ends are all safely tucked in. And I'm using a cornstarch mixtures. It's just plain cornstarch and just water to make our pastry well intact and to seal it properly. Repeat the process. 1 tablespoon of meat mixture onto the pastry wrapper. Make sure to spread it evenly so the meat will be cooked later on when frying.
Express ourselves in a way we want. There are partments sa akong mga live sa girlfriend or live ko mismo or live sa mga tao sa palibot ko nga wala ko gina-share. Yes, bala. Hi, ka. Good evening. May gabi.
So I have finished wrapping all the meat into the wrapping paper and now it's ready for frying. Here I'm using a frying pan to fry our Lumpia Shanghai or meat spring rolls. I am going to use vegetable oil to fry my Lumpia Shanghai. Here I'm cooking my spring roll on medium-low heat because I want to make sure that the meat inside is well cooked. This is to make sure everything is cooked. Don't cook it onto the high heat because it will cook the wrapper easily, but the meat has not been cooked inside. So we are not doing that. We're just cooking it onto the medium heat. Keep turning every now and then until the wrapping turns into golden brown. You can cook this spring roll for about 8 minutes to 10 minutes by low-medium heat. It's now cooked. I'm going to drain it on the drainer to drain the excess oil out from our spring rolls. Here I'm preparing a dipping sauce. I am using the sweet chili sauce, but you can use any sauce that you want. It's either ketchup. You can use other dipping sauce like just plain and simple vinegar or soya sauce with lemon or anything that you fancy. Here it is, guys. This is our Lumpia Shanghai. It's crunchy and it's yummy. Here I am going to put this Shanghai in my freezer so I can cook whenever I fancy eating it. It will be ready whenever I am craving to eat Shanghai. So it will be ready, it will be in my freezer, and I can eat whenever I want. Yay, life is so great. Lumpia Shanghai, that is. Lumpia, lumpia, lumpia. So guys, what are you waiting for? Go and make Lumpia Shanghai and eat it with your family. I'm sure you will love it. It's crunchy, yummy, and crispy. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you again soon. Please like, comment, share, and please subscribe. Press that bell button.